Start on the Connected Browsers settings page. This first card is the Safe Install Surface. Download the AI4Meta Research Capture zip, load it unpacked in Chrome, then pin the extension before pairing. Click Pair New Device only after the extension pop-up has shown a code. The app now waits for the browser extension to finish the device code flow. Login and browser installation are deliberately outside the recording. The extension opens an approval page with a short code. Match this code against the pop-up on the same computer and approve only if you started the pairing yourself. Approve completes the app-side pairing and returns to Connected Browsers. The new row is where the user can later review database scope, update the extension, test connections, or revoke the device.